How to add an email on Telegram. Are you guys facing issues to add an email on Telegram? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Telegram on your iPhone device. Once you open the Telegram, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see your setting icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, now you scroll down and click on privacy and security. Now again you scroll down, you can see the option for login email. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can add your email over there. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add an email on Telegram. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.